So this video is now going to show you how to append or add to the CSV file, and also how to read from the CSV file. You can also read notes on page 75 of your textbook for this as well. So first thing we need to do is to just change the W part of the code to A, and this will allow us to add to the CSV file. Now, very importantly, if we're going to add to it, it's also important that we change the actual information that's going in there. So what we need to do is, in between the quotes, we need to add, say, for example, a new number. So let's say 1000. Now, if I just wrote the file like this, then what would actually happen is the last value in the CSV file, which was 7, would then become 7 or 71,000, because the 1000 gets added into the same column. So to make sure that it adds itself into its own new column, because I want that to be a separate bit of data, you need to make sure you put a comma in front of the new number that you want. So let's just run that now. And we'll open it up. Double click just to open it up in the spreadsheet to check that it works. And that looks good. So you can see then 1000 has gone into the column F. So if I hadn't put the comma in front of the 1000 value, it would have been 71,000 here. Now we should also look at reading from the CSV file. So what we're going to do is just again create a new Python file. I'm just going to copy this line here because we're going to need that, and create a new file here. I'm going to save it, file, save as, and we'll call this one read CSV. Save. Okay, so I'm going to paste in that line there just to open the myfile.csv, but this time I'm changing the A to the R to indicate the reading. And then, like the text file, we need to have, let's say, a data in variable, which will grab any information from the file. So we're going to say data in equals, and we're going to say file dot read, and then brackets. Then we'll close the file dot close, and then lastly we just need to print the information that's from the CSV file. So print data in. Right, so we'll just save that and run that. So hopefully I'm just going to clear my shell down here, and we'll run this again. And you can see then that the contents of my CSV file is now being read in Python. So at the moment, the information, if you like, you can check what kind of data type it is. But what happens is it reads it in as a string. So what we need to do is make sure that we can actually separate the values, or get each comma separated value, if you like, each data point. What we're going to do is be able to put it into a list. So the next video will show you how to use the split function and create a list from the information from the CSV file, and that will allow you to do further study of the information in the file. Okay, so have a go appending and reading, and then you can watch the next video. Thank you.